We create our body wraps with the most powerful nutrients from nature, so you can add health and pleasure to your beauty routine. Relax and indulge in the pleasure of touch and aroma while restoring and balancing the health of your body and mind with our wraps. Seaweed wrap with ginger. Firming, reducing, and naturally astringent, reshapes your silhouette. Creamy coconut wrap. With moisturizing properties, preserves collagen, repairs dry skin, and maintains elasticity. Three-Seaweed Wrap. Natural firming, provides nutrients, detoxifies, and reshapes your figure. Thermal wraps. Chocolate wrap. Balances your senses and provides serotonin, zinc, and magnesium. It has relaxing, reducing, and antioxidant properties. Seaweed wrap. Detoxifies, firms, removes impurities, and prolongs the firmness of your skin. Experience this ancient tradition in your professional salon or at home. Relax and enjoy a moment of health and well-being for your senses.